Hello and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new here. Today I thought I'd do a short little video and show you what I got in my Walmart beauty box for the season of spring. They do this quarterly for each season, and all you have to do is go to just search Walmart beauty box and it'll take you to the site, and then it only costs, like where I live, you only have to pay for shipping, and where I live it's only $6.98. So it's a box full of samples of stuff that they sell at Walmart, and I've got variation number 8. I'll tell you what variation you have there on the sticker there. It does say it's the beauty box for spring 2023. So let's go ahead and see what we got in there. They do come with a little pamphlet here that says Spring Spotlight, and it says beauty is in bloom, leave dull dry winter days in hibernation, and wake up your self-care routine with a few freshly picked favorites. The ultimate spring glow up awaits with scents as sweet as flowery rainy day hair revival and ultra okay. You know, some of these copy stuff that I read is just kind of boring, really. It's spring stuff, okay? And it comes with the little wrapping, and that is what it looks like. There comes with 6 or 7 items, and it looks pretty good. And what I don't see in here is that hydrating stuff that you put in your water, which I'm so glad it's not in there because I don't like that stuff. It has too much sugar in it. So let us start with this right here, which is the Thayer's Facial Toner Witch Hazel Unscented. I'm not a big fan of witch hazel, but I will use it when I have it. And it is kind of drying to the skin. If you have dry skin, it tends to dry it out some more. Okay. Just a sec. Okay, that took a minute to take the seal off. Okay, that doesn't smell as bad as some witch hazels do. That is pretty nice, and that is a good size sample there. That will last me a long time. All right, I'm happy about that. And look what we got. We got a perfume sample. I love me a perfume sample. This is from Juicy Couture. Okay. Rock the Rainbow. It's Sunny Honey. I guess that's the name of it. It's Sunny Honey. Rock the Rainbow. Let me see. Okay. The Thayer's. Is it in here? Yeah, a full size of it is $7.97 for 8.5 fluid ounces. This is 3 fluid ounces. So there is that. For the perfume, it is $38.97 for 2.5 fluid ounces. And this one is actually filled to the top. Okay. Let's see what this smells like. Oh, it is fruity. Very fruity. It smells like apples or something like that. You know, I used to love that DKNY Big Apple perfume a lot. I used to buy that. Oh, I like this. I might have to buy that. That is really nice. Okay, that's definitely going in with my other samples. What else do we have? Okay, sometimes they put things in plastic bags, which is nice so they don't leak everywhere. This is the Marc Anthony Repair Bond something. Marc Anthony Repair Bond Rescue Plex, repair and protect leave-in treatment. Okay, I like a good leave-in treatment. This is $8.47 for 8.4 fluid ounces. This is, doesn't say how much it is. It's for all hair types. Reinforces hair from the inside out. Hydrates, defrizzes, which I need. Okay, we're making bad hair days a thing of the past with repair, bond, rescue Plex treatments, revive your tired tresses with clank would make hair up to 111% stronger and 140% smoother and 129% shinier. Okay, so I am interested in trying that out. What does it smell like though? It smells okay. But I'm up for that. That sounds cool. Okay. The next thing is a Body Fantasies Japanese cherry blossom. Oh, I love Japanese cherry blossom smells. I guess this is just a body spray. Let's see. Body Fantasies Japanese cherry blossom body spray, full size. That's funny. It doesn't have like a big copy of stuff to read. It says full size $5.99, 8.0 fluid ounces. This is 1 fluid ounce. Let's just spray it. It smells kind of like hairspray. I don't know about that. I'll have to, let me know if you got that in your Walmart box, what you think of it. I'll have to test it out. Okay, then from Neutrogena, we've got the Hydro Boost with hyaluronic acid, hydrating cleansing gel. Okay, I'm always up for a cleansing gel. Oh, and these things right here, I think everybody gets. So the Mark Anthony, the Neutrogena, and something else. I got a lot in my box this time. I feel like I got cheated in my Walmart box for winter. So I think they're making up for it now. Okay, so a full size, a 7.8 fluid ounces, is $8.99. This is 0.5 fluid ounces. Okay, drowning in moisturizers and oversized water bottles. Get all the hydration your skin needs with this luscious face wash. Soak up the hyaluronic acid formula that works to lock in moisture for an ultimate radiant glow. Okay. No safety seal. Ooh. Okay, I don't smell anything, but I still smell that perfume and that body spray. So we've got that. And then something I've been wanting to try, and I'm glad they sent this in here, are these CoverGirl color correctors. I've been wanting to try the green color corrector. And we got the green, the pink, the green, which cancels out redness, which is what I mean. The pink, which is illuminating. The yellow, which is for dullness. And the orange or red one, which is for dark spot neutralizers. It says this one is for fair, this one is for light, this one is for medium, and this one is for deep skin tones. So I'm interested in trying that out for sure. Well, let's see how much these cost. $14.98 for 1 fluid ounce. Oh, well, it is CoverGirl, and CoverGirl's kind of getting expensive. Okay, interested in trying that out. And the last thing is a set of press-on nails from Kiss. The Gel Fantasy Collection. High volume nail. Okay, these are a little long for me, but they are very pretty. I have trouble keeping press-on nails on because I use oil a lot, and it seems to make them come off very easily. Okay, what does it say about this? Sculpted nails for the cause. It doesn't say what cause it is for exactly. It says 7-day wear. Okay. Full size. So this is a full size. 28 nails. $7.97 for this full size product. Okay, so we got a lot of great stuff in this month. I want to keep saying this month. In this season's box. I am very impressed with Walmart this time around. If you got this box, let me know if you got the same variation. Let me know if you got different items. If you liked the items that you got, you didn't like the items that you got. Let me know down in the comments section. I would love to know. Please give this video a big thumbs up if you liked it. Like I said, leave me a comment. Thank you so much for watching this video, for getting to this point in the video. I greatly appreciate it. If you are new here, thank you also for watching. Please consider subscribing, hitting that notification bell, setting it to all so that you're notified every time that I upload a new video. Okay, I hope you're having a wonderful, fantastic day today. If you're having an especially hard time, know that I am thinking about you and sending you out all of those good vibes. Just remember to stay strong, stay healthy, and stay safe out there, and I will see you in another video soon. Just stay well until then, okay? Alright, goodbye.